I absolutely love cooking with chicken thighs, and today I want to make this delicious chicken thigh casserole with potatoes, bacon, and cheese. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Now let's begin. To make this casserole, you'll need 2 tablespoons of butter, 4 chicken thighs pounded, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 pound of sliced golden potatoes, about 3½ cups, 6 strips of bacon sliced into pieces, 1 medium onion finely chopped, ½ cup of heavy whipping cream, 1/4 teaspoon dry thyme, 3/4 teaspoon ground pepper, and 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese. First, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Grease baking dish with 1 teaspoon of butter and set aside. Bring a pot of water to a boil, add 1 tablespoon of sea salt and sliced potatoes. Bring it to a boil and cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, drain the water and set aside. Next, in a skillet, add bacon and saute for 5 minutes, stirring a few times. Remove bacon grease if you wish. I like to keep the bacon grease inside the skillet. After, add 2 tablespoons of butter and onion and spices, and then saute it for another 5 minutes, stirring a few times. Next, pour in ½ cup of heavy whipping cream, add ½ cup of cheese. Simmer on very low until cheese melts. Season chicken thighs with salt and pepper to taste on both sides. Assemble the casserole by layering chicken on the bottom and adding potatoes on top. Pour the cheese sauce over potatoes and sprinkle the rest of the cheese. Bake for about 30 to 35 minutes or until golden color and potatoes with chicken are cooked through. Garnish with any grains of your choice and enjoy. Here's how I like to prepare asparagus. Bring a pot with water to a boil and add salt. Next, add asparagus and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Drain water, then add butter and salt to taste, and voila, serve it with chicken casserole and dinner is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, or Facebook at Munchkin Blog. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you later. Bye!